The next credit is tenant design and construction guidelines. Up till now, we have discussed two prerequisites and 6 credits. The first prerequisite was for all BD+C adaptations. The second prerequisite, environmental site assessment, was for only schools and healthcare projects. And then we discussed 6 credits, which were all common for BD+C adaptations. Now from here on, whatever credits we are discussing are applicable for a specific BD+C adaptation or a specific project type. For example, this credit, tenant design and construction guideline, it's a design credit. It is only applicable for core and shell projects. So if your project is a core and shell project, this is the credit in addition to the other 6 credits you can go for. So intent is to educate tenants in implementing sustainable design and construction features in their tenant improvement build out. So what is a core and shell project? A project where the scope of the project is limited to the building envelope and the core, the common areas, and the project team will leave the tenant portion of the project for the future tenants to come and do their interior fit out. If the project is a LEED certified project, this core and shell project is going for a LEED certification. So it is not mandatory for the future tenants to go for LEED certification. But obviously when there is a project with LEED certification, it will have some environmentally friendly features or energy efficiency features and water efficiency features in the project. So you want your tenant to make use of it. Tenant can also get benefit of it. Even if it is not going for LEED certification, they can achieve a significant amount of light, energy and water savings through using the same features or same strategies. So what is the intent of this credit is to educate tenants in implementing sustainable design and construction features in their tenant improvement build out. So what is the requirement to get this credit? The project team is required to publish an illustrative document which will have guidelines about what are the building system. Some of them could be water use, optimizing energy performance, lighting power, lighting controls, HVAC, energy use and metering. So basically you will be explaining your strategy and your selection of fixture and furniture and equipment to the tenant that these are the strategies that you followed, these are the systems that you followed, these are the equipments that you selected to get your building LEED certification. So if he can make use of the same features and strategies in his tenant interior fit out, so then you can take advantage of the sustainable feature of the project. So strategy should be to create an illustrative manual and prepare it early in the project and assign a team member who will revise it as the project progresses. So because it's like a live document, and you can expect many changes throughout design and construction process in building systems. So it is better that you start this illustrative manual early in the project, assign a team member so he can keep updating this, and at the end of the project you have this manual ready for your tenants to take advantage of. You can include recommendations for products like a specific type of LED lights, a specific type of carpets which may have less VOC content, less formaldehydes, or specific type of luminaires which will result in energy savings. So basically you are describing sustainable feature of your project, the features that you and the strategies that you adopted to get your building or project certified. Now your tenant can make use of it. This is a sample MSDS page that could be part of that illustrative manual. You can see you are explaining that this is the toilet that you used, a wall mounted one, what are the features it has, what are the certification it qualifies for, what are the standards it is meeting. You can see ADA, CSA, B651, OBC. So these are the different codes and standards that this fixture complies with. So project team for the tenant design does not have to reinvent the wheel. They can just simply select this fixture in their interior tenant fit out if they have any toilet, and then they can take advantage of all these features. So you are basically sharing your strategies and everything through this illustrative manual about your project. So tenant does not have to worry about, again, he does not have to reinvent the wheel basically. So that is our credit tenant design and construction guidelines.